5-part B says a solid consisting of right circular cone standing on a hemisphere is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water touches the bottom. So that's a right circular cone on a hemisphere which is standing upright in a circular cylindrical cylinder full of water and touches the bottom. So there is this cylinder in which it's placed, touches the bottom, children, it's at the bottom. Now, having given that the radius of cylinder is 3 centimeters, height is 6 centimeters, radius 3 centimeters, height 6 centimeters, radius of hemisphere is 2 centimeters, height of cone is 4 centimeters. So children, height is h is 4 centimeters and radius is 2 centimeters. R equal to 2 centimeters, which will overlap for the radius of the cone, which will overlap for the radius of cone. They want us to find the volume of water left in the cylinder, having been given a radius of cylinder is 3, height is 6, and radius of hemisphere is 2, and the height of the cone is 4. Give you answer to the nearest centimeter cube, children. They want the answer to the nearest centimeter cube. So what we do is, children, first let's write down the information that we have. So there is the cylinder, the cone, and the hemisphere. Cylinder, capital radius 3 centimeters, capital R, capital H 6 centimeters, cone radius 2 centimeters, height H 4 centimeters, hemisphere radius 2 centimeters, it overlaps. Now children, volume of water left is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone, children, because the remaining amount of water over here is the difference between the volume of the cylinder minus the volume of these two figures combined. So children, we substitute the values. First the formula, pi r squared h minus 2/3 pi r cube plus 1/3 pi r squared h. Now children, we can take pi common throughout, and the value of pi hasn't been given, so we'll take it as 22/7. R squared, capital R is 3 squared, that's 9, into h, that's 6, minus, here children, we can take r squared upon 3 common. The pi is already on common, so here between these two we can take r squared, that's r times r upon 3 common. So what remains, children? Pi is gone, r squared is gone, so r remains, and 3 is gone, so 2 remains. So 2r remains here, and here children again r squared is gone, pi is gone, 3 is gone, only h remains, children, and the value of h is 4. And this radius is 2, so 2 times 2. So that gives us, children, 22/7, 9 times 6, 54, minus 4/3 times 4 plus 4, that's 8, 32/3. We take the LCM, 22/7 times 54 times 3, children, would come out to be 162 minus 32/3. That gives us 22/7 times 162 minus 32, children, would come out to be 130/3. That's 22 times 130, that's 11 times 260/21. 11 times 26, children, would come out to be 260 plus 26, that's 6, 8 and 2, 286, so 2860/21. Now this, children, we can use short division and divide, so that's 2860 divided by 21 to give us 136.19 centimeter cube, which would come out to be simply 136 centimeter cube, since they've said till the nearest centimeter cube, children. So what we have done over here, children, we've got volume of water remaining. That's remaining part is volume of cylinder, the big thing, minus volume of hemisphere plus cone added, so that the whole thing is subtracted. Then we took common as much as we could, simplified as much as possible to come to the final answer. So children, for a sum like this, the mark distribution of marks would be 1 mark for the formulae and application, everything, or if you draw the diagram correctly with the formula written down, 1 mark for all the simplification and 1 mark for the final answer, precise till round off to the nearest integer. Let's see next question, children. Sum says